This is the beautiful United States of America, ladies and gentlemen.
Come to America.
The beautiful United States of America. What you think? You think that whatever you see in the fucking movies, that this is the real America? No. This is the real America.
Can't hide the snow. It's fucking ridiculous.
Fucking hell, man. When it's gonna take 2 weeks for this snow to.
Nah.
If we don't,
By tomorrow, it's gonna be nice all week. It's gonna get warmer,
Yeah,
warmer. Next
but
week's
it's
supposed
gonna
to be 50 degrees.
50?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
That's what they said.
50.
That's what they said. The sun's gonna be out all week. That's gonna be. They have snowball in Cyprus or no?
Yes, of course.
Why, you get snow?
Se malacas, re. They don't even know what a snowblower is. What's the reason to have a snowblower?
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
You know, if the weather changes, maybe we open a store. We sell snowball.
In Cyprus? No, espera, uno nomás no es. Wow. It's coming right at us.
Yeah, they did a good